guys, welcome back to another Skywars, and I'm actually playing Skywars, so yeah, hope you guys enjoy. So I'm gonna be just talking about the video. I'm not doing commentary, I'm just playing. So my plan is, well, I just played a game and I had full diamond, but I was so dumb I just jumped off the cliff, because I was like, what the, and I just jumped off, so. But it doesn't matter. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so my plan is to get a chest. Which is right here. I don't think TNT works. Please don't jump the tree, and I will kill you. Yeah, I'll put the IP in the description if you ever want to play. Put in the comments below if you ever want to play with me, so yeah. Noob. Sorry I can yell I see for some reason. There's something wrong with my thing. That was lag. Yeah, I'm actually cutting in the morning, 11 o'clock. So this will be out around, no teaming. Ooh, Mastermind, seriously. This guy's username, Mastermind. What not his username, his rank is. So that means my rank is awesome. I need to say some more. Can you ever get like a recording software, seriously? The only thing I get is blocks. My best weapon is a fishing rod right. I think it might be that it's dark, so there needs to be light for you guys to see. I don't know, but... Yeah, dude. Oh, that's what for. I caught it. There has to be someone spawn. Someone legitimately good I can place. No. I thought I felt good. That's what I'm talking about, baby. 64. 64. Let's see. Don't tell me are you guys teaming? Oh no. has been 2 players in the game. Seriously, if I would have killed that guy, I definitely would have killed the other guy probably. Okay, this is the last one. I'm getting tired of this. Plus, you can hardly see, so I'm just gonna stick with like Hunger Games and Survival. Hunger Games and Survival. Because they've been calling that Survival lately, so yeah. 1.7.2 is so laggy, and this is the only server that hasn't. Well, actually, this server lags, because it's 1.7.2, but it isn't like that much like the other ones. I was playing this other server before. It was a survival server, not the one I recorded, a different one. And it's like so laggy. I'm like, seriously, I'm trying to, I mean, not that one. Well, it was kind of laggy. But there's this other one I was playing before this. It was like the laggiest server ever. Oh, you see that? You see that? You see that, bro? You see that? You see that? You see that? That was the best. That's the best. You know what? I don't care. Bathe in your juices. No, please. God, I almost killed myself. I just killed myself. GG.